Hey Android users, ever wondered what apps are running in the background and draining your battery? Today I'm going to show you how easily check and manage those apps. It's a quick way to keep your phone running smoothly and save some battery time and save some battery life. Let's dive in. Head over to your phone settings and tap on it. Scroll down until you find developer options. Tap on it. Here you can see an option called running services. We need to go there and see there's a list of background apps that is running in your Android right now. So now you're in control of what's running in the background of your Android. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tips to optimize your phone. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.